Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about topic that how we can get the maximum and minimum value in the Microsoft Excel. So let me give you an example here that for example I am writing some numbers here, like for example 5, 7, 8, 11, 55, 89, 90. So I have written few numbers here. So if you want to get the minimum and the maximum value from these numbers, how you can do it in Excel. So it's very simple, like I write maximum and the minimum. So what you have to do, just left click on the mouse and drag it there. Okay, and uh, in the auto sum here, there is a formula maximum and the minimum. So first I will write minimum. So it will tell you that 5 is the minimum value. If you just see from here, 5 is the minimum value. Then also if you want to find the maximum value, what you can do, just left click on the mouse, select the value, and here is the formula maximum. So you can see 5 is the minimum and 90 is the maximum. So it's very easy to find the minimum and the maximum value in the Excel by using the formula. So friend, I hope that it's a very easy option in the Microsoft Excel through which you can easily find the minimum and the maximum value in the numerical values. So hope you like this video. It's a very easy video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you.